Let's go to page 445, number 25. So again, read through the problem. This is going to be a motion problem. So as you read, that's going to draw a picture. So it says Jim and Sandra. Okay, so you got Jim and Sandra. Okay, they live 63 miles apart. Okay, so that's 63 miles apart. And both left their home at 7 a.m. Okay, both left their home at 7 a.m. And they ride toward each other. They met at 10 a.m. So they rode toward each other. And they met somewhere in here at 10 a.m. So from here you can see that this is going to be the t equal to 3 hours here and t equal to 3 hours here. Okay. And then after that, I can continue. It says if Jim's average speed, so Jim's average speed, so R equal to 3/4, so equal to 3/4 of Sandra's speed. So I'm going to make R equal to x, and so this will be 3/4 x, right? So again, second person would be the x. So Jim's average speed was 3/4 of Sandra's speed. Okay, and how fast did each one cycle? So you can draw your picture. So this is everything you know. So let's go and draw a table. So this is Jim, and that's Sandra, and this is R times time equal to distance. Okay, so Jim's speed is, I'm going to use decimal. Okay, so 0.75x, and the time is 3. Sandra is x, and again time is 3. So when you multiply, you're going to get 2.25x, and this will be 3x. Okay, so now you have to figure what's the relationship between the two. Well, if you look over here, right, the distance for Jim and distance for Sandra equal to total 63. So this total has to equal to 63. So Jim plus Sandra equal to 63. Okay, so again, this is kind of picture that you have to add equal to the total. Okay. Okay, next, let's go and add this together. So you're going to get 5.25x equal to 63, and then you divide by 5.25, divide by 5.25, so x equal to 12. So x equal to 12, but don't box that. Yeah, you have to answer the question, right? They want you to find out the speed of each person. Okay, so x equal to 12, so that's Sandra. So that's the easy one. So Sandra equal to 12 miles per hour. The Jim equal to 0.75 times that. So you have to times this by 0.75. So equal to 9 miles per hour. Okay, again, they're looking for these and these. Okay, they're looking for the speed of each person. So for Sandra, it's x, so that's 12. For Jim, it's 0.75x, so you use 0.75 times 12 and give you 9. And so that would be the answer for number 25. Okay, let's go to number 26. Okay, so again, you read through the problem. It's a motion problem, and this is very similar to 25. So you got two people. You have a Rebecca and you got Jill. Okay, and they live 75 miles apart. Okay, and both left their home at 8 a.m. and they bicycle toward each other. Okay, and so both left their home at 8 a.m. right toward each other. They met at 10:30. That means that t equal to 2.5 hours, right? From this 2.5, and this is 2.5. Okay, and then it says if the Jill's average speed, so Jill, so R equal to, so if Jill's average speed was 7/8 of Rebecca's, right? Again, second person is always the x. So Rebecca is the second person in here. right? So Jill's average speed was 7/8 of Rebecca's. Okay, and how fast each person cycled. Okay, so let's go and make a table. So R times time equal to distance. So this is Rebecca and this is Jill. So Rebecca, the speed is x. This one 7/8. Okay, let's go and leave it as 7/8. Okay, the time is 2.5. The time is 2.5, and the distance you don't know. So again, you can multiply. So you get 2.5x. Now over here, you can use your calculator to multiply. So you can use fraction multiply. That's not a problem. Or you can just go and divide. So 7 divided by 8 equal, and then you times it by 2.5 equal. So you're going to get 2.1875x. Okay, so that's fine. So again, look at this picture. You can see that Rebecca plus Jill will equal to total 75. So Rebecca plus Jill will equal to 75. So that's my equation. 2.5x plus 2.1875x equal to 75. Okay, so go and add this together. So I get 4.6875x equal to 75. Then I'm going to divide by 4.6875. Divide by 4.6875. Okay, so x equal to 16. Okay, now once you find x equal to 16, you're not done yet. Okay, because it asks you for the speed of each person, so you're looking for these. That's what you're looking for. Okay, so from here you can see so Rebecca equal to 16 miles per hour. Okay, that's x. Jill, you have to multiply by 7/8, so this will give you 14 miles per hour. Okay, so you can just 7/8 times 16, you get 14 miles per hour. Okay, and that's it for number 26. Okay, let's go to number 27. Okay, you can read through. Okay, this one says two numbers different by 12. So this is a number kind of problem. And it says 1/6 the larger exceed 1/5 the small. So you got two numbers, large and small, right? Okay, so you're gonna let L equal to large and S equal to small number. Okay. So now it says the two number difference by 12, right? That means the large minus small equal to 12, right? Difference equal to 12. And it says 1/6 of the large exceed means equal to something plus something, right? Exceed 1/5 of the small by 2. Okay, so that's your equation. So what you want to do is, okay, you want to mix. You need to get rid of the fraction first. So let's go and multiply everything by common denominator. So I'm going to multiply everything by 30, right? 5 and 6 is 30. So multiply by 30, multiply by 30, multiply by 30. So when I cancel, I get 5L equal cancel. So I get 6S plus 60. Okay. Now next thing is I have L and S, right? So I'm going to move this over so I look similar to that. So minus 6S minus 6X. So I got 5L minus 6S equal to 60. Okay, so now the two look similar, right? Now next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make the L opposite. Okay, I'm going to make the L opposite because it's a lower number. So I'm going to multiply this by -5 to make opposite to this. So multiply by -5. So I get -5L plus 5S equal to -60. And I'm going to put this under here. So I got -5L plus 5S equal to -60. So this will cancel out. And then I get -S equal to 0. Now don't freak out when you see 0. So I'm going to multiply by -1 to solve. Okay. So S equal to 0 times negative 1 is 0, 0. Right? So small number equal to 0. Then come over here, use the large to find the large number. So L minus 0 equal to 12. So L equal to 12. Okay. So small number is 12. Large number is small number is 0. Large number is 12. Okay. Let's go to number 28. So you can read through the problem similar. So you got large and small. Okay, so let L equal to large number and let S equal to small number. And let's go and read. It says the two numbers different by 8. So that means large minus small equal to 8. And then after that it says 1/7. So 1/7 of the large exceed, I mean again exceed means equal to something plus something. Okay, so exceed 1/8 of the small by smaller by 2. Okay. Okay, so again, first what you want to do is you want to go ahead and get rid of the fraction. So fraction would be, now if you're not sure what the common denominator of 7 and 8 is, you just multiply 7 and 8, 7 and 8, 7 and 8, right? So this will cancel out. So 8L equal to 7S plus, okay, and get your calculator. So you get 112, okay, and then after that I'm going to move this over to make similar to that, or another option is you can move this over to substitute, but let's go and do this. Okay, minus 7S, so I have an 8L minus 7S equal to 112, and so from here I'm going to make the L opposite. Okay, so it doesn't matter, so either one. So I'm going to make yeah, let's go and make the L opposite. So times it by negative 8. So I get negative 8L plus 8S equal to negative 64. Okay, and I'm going to put this over here. So I got negative 8L plus 8S equal to negative 64. So this will cancel out, and this I get 1S equal to, so you get 112 minus 64 equal to 48. So the small number is 48. Then I'm going to use this one. Again, you can use any equation, but this is the easiest one. So I'm going to use this one. So L minus 48 equal to 8. So plus 48. So I have L equal to 56. So small number is 48, large number is 56.